Hi guys, this is Subhashri here and welcome to Glam Shades, where I review beauty products just for you. Well, this time we have something which is the staple of all the makeup products. Yes, we are talking about kajal. और ये कोई ऐसा वैसा काजल नहीं है. This is the Lakme iconic kajal in deep black. I can't stress over the importance of a kajal enough. It elevates not just your look but also your entire mood with just a single swipe. अगर आप अपना look freshen up करना चाहते हैं किसी एक चीज से, then kajal has to be that one. And this one that we have in here, the iconic kajal, is specially smudge proof, waterproof, and lasts up to 22 hours. Isn't that great, you guys? जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, Lakme is one of the best brands in India. It makes products that are not just of high quality, but yet it is absolutely affordable. And सबसे खास बात ये है Lakme की that it makes and crafts these products for quintessential Indian women. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see, the packaging is really nice and attractive, and it has a standard cardboard packaging, as well as you can see that the top part where you can find the name of the brand as well as the shade name. Not just this, you can see that there is a clear covering and you can see the color of the pencil right in here. So inside it, the pencil is present and it's very smooth and easy to use. और ये वाला जो हमारे पास है, this is the deep black shade, but we also have it in different other colors like the classic brown, royal blue, regal green, and turquoise color as well. From runaways to red carpet, a smoky eye look is everybody's favorite. Well, a dark, smoldering smoky look is something that everybody wants to try out. But मुझे पता है कितना difficult लगता है हम सबको ये look try करना. Well, ladies and gentlemen, not anymore, because we have this Lakme iconic kajal, जिसके मदद से आप सिर्फ few steps से ये look पा सकते हैं. So let's get started. Use a primer to make sure the makeup lasts long and doesn't crease. You can also use concealer or foundation here if you don't have a primer, but a primer achieves best results. Step 2. Take the kajal and apply it all over the eyelid, from the lash line to the crease. The fun part, you don't have to be precise here. Go crazy! Step 3. Take an eyeshadow brush, preferably an angled or blending brush, and pack some dark eyeshadow on it. It can be any dark shade, depending on the kind of look you're going in for. We are keeping it classic with some black shadow. Apply the shadow to your upper eyelid, carefully smudging the kajal you applied earlier. Make sure you don't spread the kajal outside of the eyelid. If you're applying it on your lower waterline, use your finger to pull the under eye down gently so that your waterline is exposed. Start at the outer corner and glide the kajal along the waterline twice to line your eyes. So honestly guys, I'm extremely happy with this product. It's very easy to use and the formula is of real good quality. सबसे खास बात मुझे ये लगी कि जैसे कि यहाँ पे description में mention किया गया था that it is smudge proof and waterproof. It stays true to the words. So this is what we have for today. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for more videos.